exactly is coronavirus? It's actually a common infection that almost everyone gets at least once in their lifetime. Hillary Lane reasons if there's a need for concern for those here in the U.S.
Travelers in the U.S. are wearing masks to protect against a new strain of coronavirus. But U.S. public health officials say the current risk here is low.
I don't think this is something that the United States public should be worried or frightened about, but they should know that we are taking this obviously very seriously as it evolves.
Human coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that have been around for decades. Some cause mild illness like the common cold. Symptoms may include runny nose, headache, cough, sore throat, and fever. Two newer coronaviruses, SARS and MERS, have been known to cause severe illness, including pneumonia and bronchitis, and can be deadly.
It's a virus that hasn't been seen before. Anytime there's an emergence of an entirely new virus, we're concerned and we want to investigate.
The CDC says it's too early to draw conclusions about how severe the strain is, but older people and those with compromised immune systems seem to be more at risk.
The current outbreak is suspected to have started at a food market in Wuhan, China that sells animals. Preliminary research suggests this new strain was first passed to humans from snakes or bats.
We are getting new information hour by hour and day by day, so the situation is very fluid. But the information we have so far is that the incubation period is around 2 weeks.
Health officials say to prevent the spread of the virus, do the same things you do to prevent the flu. Wash your hands often with soap and water and avoid close contact with people who are sick. Hillary Lane, CBS News, New York.
And the CDC says to expect more cases in the coming days, and the State Department of Health is working to monitor the virus. Now it says this, quote, the CDC, the Mississippi State Department of Health, are monitoring an outbreak of respiratory illness caused by a new coronavirus, 2019 NCOV in Wuhan City, China, which has resulted in more than 400 infections and several deaths. And for the latest on the coronavirus outbreak, visit our website, WJTV.com. We are focused on health and focused on you.